In this video, I'll show you how to test a .NET Web API using Postman. We will see what Postman is, how to call a .NET API, how to check get post put request, and how to verify API responses. For that, I have already created a .NET Web API. The API link is provided in the description, so you can use the same link to see how to make a web API. As we can see that my employee web API is working perfectly. All my get, post, put, delete request is working. Postman is a tool used to test API without a front end. To test a get API, first copy the API URL from the description of get and paste it on the get request. Then send the request. We get a 200 OK response, which means our API is working successfully. And here, this is the data returned from the database. We can get data by ID also. Now change the method to post. Paste the post API URL. And enter the request data like this. Now click send. You can see the success message 200 OK, and the data has been inserted in the database. Now change the method to put. Paste the URL with ID. Put is used to update the data. Make sure in header key is content type and value is application JSON. Now next is delete method. Here we for delete method first we get the ID and delete the specific data. This is how we check our .NET Web API is working or not. Thank you for watching.